So good morning all of you. Today we will see the bucket sort, or we have already seen all the sorting methods which are based on comparison. Can you tell me the names which sorting methods are based on comparison? One is bubble sort, then
Insertion sort,
Insertion
insertion
sort,
sort,
Selection
selection
sort,
sort,
selections,
shell sort,
shell
quick
shell,
sort,
sort,
quick sort. So all these sorting methods we have seen, and we have seen that in all of them the elements are compared so as to sort them in proper order, right? So and we have also seen the complexity of all those sorting methods. It is never less than order of n log n. ओके, उससे कम कभी भी हमें कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं मिला है किसी भी एल्गोरिदम का. ओके, सो वी विल सी देर आर सम algorithms which are working without comparison. Okay, non-comparison based algorithm, and we will see whether we will be able to get the complexity less than order of n log n. Okay, उससे कम अगर complexity मिलता है तो we will try to search for that. Okay, so let us start with the first non-comparison based sorting algorithm, that is bucket sort. Okay, now as its name says, we will be having some containers kind of buckets, and in that we will be putting our elements. So in bucket sort it works by partitioning the elements into buckets. Okay, and these buckets are assigned based on each element's search key. That means what is the value of that element. As per that value they are placed in the bucket. Okay, so if the value of that particular element is in between, suppose 0 to 10, then the first bucket. So it depends on कि हमने क्या criteria बनाया है bucket का. Okay, so if the value of that number is 11 to 20, the second bucket will be there. So in this way we will be assigning the values, or we will be putting the values in the buckets. And this will be more clear after we cover the example. Okay, and after partitioning the elements into different buckets, at last what we will be doing, we will be concatenating the buckets. The already we will, suppose we will be having the data of 10 elements. Now we have separated that data based on their values into different buckets. Now all these buckets we will be just concatenating, and at last that concatenated array will be sorted one. So this is the P. Now here we are not doing any comparison at all. Okay. Now there can be different variations of bucket sort. That means make enough buckets so that each bucket will hold only one element. Okay, so that can be the one method. Then use fewer number of buckets, use very less number of buckets, and then sort the contents of each bucket. ओके, नंबर ऑफ बकेट्स मिनिमाइज कर दो, एंड हर एक बकेट में जो आपने एलिमेंट्स डाला है उसको पहले सॉर्ट करके ले लो, एंड देन concatenate the buckets. Okay, and the last variation is radix sort. So radix sort can also be considered as a bucket sort, but there the elements are compared placed based on their place value. Okay, उनका whether it is its place sorry, I got disconnected. Might be there is a internet issue. So there are different variations in the bucket sort also. So we will see all of them one by one. Okay. Uh, yeah. So now out of all these variations, that means हर एक element के लिए एक bucket use किया हमने suppose. Okay, that is the one case. Or we have used very less number of buckets, but once the partitioning is done in the bucket, then the elements present in that bucket are sorted with the help of some sorting algorithm, and then the buckets will be concatenated to get the sorted data or radix sort. Now, which one is the better variation? Okay, so if we have more number of buckets, then the algorithm will work very fast. That means time required for the algorithm, time required for sorting will be very less. But since we are using many buckets, the memory requirement will get increased. Okay, so that is again the problem. Okay, that means to get the less time, we will be compromising in the more memory requirement. So time complexity is reduced when the number of items per bucket is evenly distributed. So अगर हमने सिर्फ buckets का count ही increment किया तो क्या होगा? If we just increase the count of buckets, then the memory requirement will also get increased. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will not try to put the single element in the bucket, only single element in the bucket, but still we want to get the less time complexity and less space complexity. In that case, what we will do, we will try to reduce the number of buckets, and whatever number of buckets are there, we will try to evenly distribute the elements in each bucket. But is it possible to evenly distribute? Yes, it is possible when in case our input itself is uniformly distributed. Okay, if our input collection itself is uniformly distributed, in that case we can evenly distribute the elements. We can evenly put the elements into the buckets. Okay, so in that case time complexity can be reduced by and along with that space will also get reduced. Okay, now if the data is not evenly distributed, or if given collection itself is not uniformly distributed, then it is not possible for us to minimize the number of buckets. And though minimizing the number of buckets, because of this even distribution, the space requirement will also get reduced. So ये possible नहीं है अगर हमारा data uniform distributed नहीं है तो. Are you getting? Are you all with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So, what to do in that case? So, buckets, in that case, we need to increase the number of buckets. So, buckets, as and when we increase the buckets, the space requirement will get increased, right? So, there is, we can say there is a trading between the space and time. Okay, that means अगर मैंने space बढ़ाया तो मेरा time कम हो सकता है, time requirement कम हो सकता है. अगर मुझे टाइम रिक्वायरमेंट मैंने I mean if I reduce the space, then time will be increased. If I increase the space, then time will be decreased. So ऐसे हमें दोनों के बीच में ट्रेडिंग के जैसा सिचुएशन आएगा, एंड वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द बेटर ऑप्टिमल सिचुएशन. सो कितने बकेट्स मिनिमम कर सकते हैं वो ट्राई करना है, बट टाइम भी हमको मिनिमाइज करना है. सो बट वॉट एवर इज दिस सिचुएशन, whatever number of buckets are required, whatever time is required, we can definitely say that this is the bucket sort algorithm is having the time complexity which is far better than the algorithms which we have seen. ओके, दैट मीन्स कंपैरिजन बेस्ड एल्गोरिदम की जो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज है उससे कई अच्छा इसका कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है बकेट सॉर्ट का. ओके सो हाउ दैट इज बिकॉज सी हम कोई भी कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट डूइंग पार्टीशनिंग ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स एंड आफ्टर पार्टीशनिंग just we will be concatenating the elements. Okay, so how that we will see. Now here observe, this is the given data. All of you please pay your attention. This is the given data. Okay, and here we have considered that each bucket will contain only one value. Okay, so here observe this 3, first number is 3, so it has to be placed in this place. Okay, 3 को यहाँ डाल दिया. So here the content, see these are the this indices of array we will consider as a element in this case. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या है 3, this is a bucket number. So bucket number 3 में मैंने क्या डाल दिया, this value 3 I have placed and I have initially all these this count array is having all the zeros in it. Okay, काउंट का एरे इनिशियलाइज किया है 0 को, दैट मीन्स इसके पूरे एलिमेंट्स क्या रहेंगे, 0 रहेंगे. नाउ व्हेनेवर आई रीड द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, इट इज 3. सो आई विल बी गोइंग टू द बकेट नंबर 3. सो बकेट नंबर 3 कौन सा है, ये जो है, दीज ऑल आर द बकेट नंबर्स. ओके, एरे के इंडेक्स को हम क्या कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, बकेट नंबर्स. सो बकेट नंबर 3 में हमने क्या डाल दिया, 3 डाल दिया. I mean to here we will be putting in the number 3, that time we will be incrementing the count. 0 से हमने इसको 1 बनाया. Okay, so whenever I put the I read the next element, so its value is 1. That means I need to put it where, कहां पर डालना है इसे मुझे, वैल्यू 1 है, मतलब बकेट नंबर क्या रहेगा, 1. Okay, so I will put it in the bucket number 1. So यहाँ पर डाल दिया, bucket number 1 is this one, this is the bucket number 1. यहाँ पे डाल दिया, so इसको क्या किया, 0 से अपडेट करके 1 बनाया. This is now count is 1. Okay, next element read किया, that is 4. 4 को read किया, right, its value is 4. That's why it has to be placed in which bucket, bucket number, which bucket number, 4 को कहाँ डालना है,
मैम bucket number 4.
Yes, so bucket number 4 जिसका count पहले 0 था, that is now becoming as 1. So this bucket number 1 will have count as 1. Okay, then next element is read, that is 1. Its value is 1. That's why it has to be placed in bucket number 1. So पहले जो bucket number 1 की updated value 1 थी, that will now become as, this 1 will be replaced by 2. So what is the count of bucket number 1? That means 1 के कितने occurrences है, 2. So that count is updated here. Then 5 will be read. Then 5 को कहाँ डालना है, bucket number 5 में डालना है. यहाँ पर पहले 0 था, that will become 1. Okay, then 9 will be read. 9 again, यहाँ पर 0 था, तो ये 1 हो गया. This is now 1 only. ये 1 हो गया in bucket number 9. So हमारा ये element read करना हो गया है. Now next number is, next data we will read, that is 2. It has to be placed in which bucket, bucket number 2. bucket number 2 में डाल दिया, जो 0 था इसका count, that is now incremented to 1. Okay, then 6 is read. Next value is 6, that has to be placed in bucket number 6, जिसका count पहले 0 था, that is now updated to 1. Then 5 is read. Element 5 has to be placed in bucket number 5 and इसका count क्या था, 1 था, तो now it will change to 2. bucket number 5 का count क्या हो गया, अभी 2 हो गया, पहले 1 था, that is now incremented by 1. Okay, then 4 4 next value read is 4. It has to be placed in bucket number 4. So 4 में डाल दिया. 4 में डालते टाइम यहाँ पर जो इसका count था that was initially that updated count was 1. So now it will become as 2 in this way. So if bucket number 0 has value 0 has count 0 that means 0 कोई data है ही नहीं हमारे collection में. Then bucket number 1 count is 2 that means there are 2 occurrences of 1. So we will start reading this count array. Okay, while when we want to have the sorted data we will read this count array. जहां पर 0 है उसको सिर्फ आगे जाएंगे ट्रैवर्स करेंगे. If the non-zero element is found, where it is found यहाँ पर मिला है हमको. So what is the index of that particular non-zero element of array? Its index is 1. So it is a bucket number we will be considering. Okay, 1 है. So that index will be returned how many times? 2 times. So यहाँ पर 2 times 1 and 1 return किया है. We want the data to be in sorted form. Okay, so to get that data we will be doing this. Then go ahead. ये हो गया processing. Go ahead. यहाँ पर नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट है क्या? Yes. What is the index of that? It is 2. 2 रिटर्न करना है. कितनी बार रिटर्न करना है? 1 टाइम. So that 2 is returned here 1 number of times. Okay. Then go ahead. Go to the next element of array. There it's in there. Is it a non-zero element? Yes. Is it a non-zero element?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's a non-zero. That's why we will take the index value. Its index value is 3. 3 has to be listed. 3 has to be placed in the result now. Result array. How many times? 1 time. So 1 time यहाँ पर हमने 3 को result में डाल दिया है. 3 is returned here 1 number of times. Go ahead. Repeat the same thing. Non-zero element found? Yes. What is the index? 4. How many times it has to be placed in the output array? 2 times. So 4 is placed. 4 is returned here. How many times? 1 and 2 number of times. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I got disconnected. Just wait for a minute. Huh? I will switch the network to my mobile hotspot. I think that will give better connection. Just a minute. I will switch. Yeah. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we were at this. Okay. So 5 is returned 2 times. This is 1 and this is second. Okay. Then go ahead. Non-zero element in the array. Yes, it is 1. What is the index? 6. How many times it has to be returned? 1 number of time. So 6 is returned here 1 number of time. Here it is 6. Okay. Then go ahead. Non-zero element? No. Go ahead. Non-zero element? No. Go ahead. Non-zero element? Yes. What is the index? 9. How many times? 1 time. So 9 is returned here 1 number of time. In this way, this which this input which was unsorted, we have got the output which is sorted. So here what we are doing is we will be just maintaining the counts. Okay, so this is one variation. Now let us consider that if our bucket contains multiple items. Okay, that means suppose karo ki this is our data. This line is our data, that is 29, 25, 3, 49, 9, 37 and so on. Okay, so this is our data, and now we have decided that my bucket will contain not only single element, it can contain multiple elements also. So हमने क्या किया है, bucket को single index जैसे हमने consider किया था ना यहाँ पर, वैसे नहीं किया. What we have considered, the range of indices we have given and we have directly placed the elements into that bucket. ओके, सो ये कौन से केस में हम कर रहे हैं, जब व्हेन वी वांट टू रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ बकेट्स. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव डिसाइडेड नाउ, इट इज अ bucket which can contain 0 to 9 element. It is second is the bucket which can contain the elements whose value is 10 to 19. Third is the bucket which can contain the values which are in between 20 to 29. 30 से लेके 39 तक के values and 40 to 49, all the values will be there in the last bucket. So total 5 buckets we will be using here. So you can observe below 9, 0 to 9, which elements are there? 3 is there and 9 is there. 0 to 9 कौन से elements है? These two elements. So these two elements are placed here. This is one and this is another. Okay. Then 10 से लेके 19 तक के elements है क्या इस array में? नहीं है. So this bucket is empty. Then 20 से लेके 29 तक के एलिमेंट्स है क्या? Yes, 29 is there, put it in the third bucket. 25 is there, put it in the third bucket. 49 is not in this range, 37 is not in this range, 21, so put it in the third bucket. Then 37 को जो ये बीच में मिलते हैं 49, इसको कहाँ डाल देंगे? इधर डाल देंगे. 37 को it is in this range, so put it here, and 47 it is in this range, so put it here. So in this way we will be putting. So what the basic idea of bucket sort, whatever is its variation, okay, the basic idea is what? We will be reading the array, input array, we will be doing the partitioning of that array as per the bucket. Okay, bucket के हिसाब से उसका partitioning कर रहे हैं, and at the end we if there are multiple elements in the bucket, we will be doing the sorting of each bucket. So 3 and 7, 3 and 9 will be sorted. That bucket is now sorted. So assume that all of these buckets are sorted internally, and at last we will be concatenating them. So first bucket sorted, first bucket all the elements are sorted, so we will take all those elements and we will concatenate that element of first bucket with second bucket. Second bucket में कुछ नहीं है, go ahead, that is concatenated with the third bucket. So third bucket का result, if it is already sorted inside the bucket itself, then it will be 21, then 25, then 29. So यहाँ पर इसको already internally sorting हो गया है, that is now we are concatenating. यहाँ पर समझ में आने के लिए I will put the commas. Okay, so 21, 25 and 29 is there. 29 is there. Third bucket is concatenated. Now this concatenation result is now concatenated with the content of sorted content of fourth bucket. So fourth bucket में एक ही element है, that is now placed here, concatenated here to get the output. Then comma, then these two elements are there. So again the last bucket is already sorted, and that sorted content we will be taking here and we will be putting, we will be concatenating it with the previous concatenation result. So in this way whatever we have got is the, it is the sorted result of this particular input. This is unsorted data and this is the sorted data. Okay. Got it? How bucket sort algorithm works when multiple items are placed in the bucket. Yes, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I mean one item per bucket. जो array का size होगा और bucket का size वो दोनों same होना चाहिए क्या?
For that size we will discuss again in comparison way. Okay. It depends on how we are creating the buckets. Let's see. Still some discussion we will be having. So at the end we will compare how the buckets, number of buckets and number of or space requirement will be there. Now let us consider another example. Now this example is these are the decimal points. Okay, is it okay? It was Sunny, right? The question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we will discuss some more examples and then we will do the statement on that. Okay, so let us start with the next example. Here, these are the elements which are decimal, which are having decimal point. So 0.78. The first number is what? Is a array, input array. First element of that array is 0.78. Second element is 0.17. Third element is 0.39 and so on. Okay, so this is a input array. A is a input array and B is a bucket. Okay, so here the bucket number 0 means all the elements which are having 0 in its what we can say. Okay, before partitioning this, tell me, I will be writing here some number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1234.567. So can you tell me the place value of this 4? What is the place value of 4? Yes.
Units place.
Units place or ones place we can see. Okay. So likewise 3 is tens place, 2 is 100 place
Hundreds place.
and 1 is 1000 place. Now what is the
1000.
place value of this 5? क्योंकि हमारा एग्जाम्पल अभी डेसिमल पॉइंट का है इसलिए what is the place value of this? Yes, what is the place value of this?
10th place.
हाँ, it is, see 3 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है और 5 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? It is tens place. Tens place मतलब 10 multiplied by ये 3, that is the value of this place. Okay, 10 into 3 is the value of this particular place for this case. Okay, whereas 5 का क्या बोले आप? It is a, what is the place value? It is 10th, right? 10th
Yes,
means it is 1 upon 10. Okay, so don't get confused with that. It is 10th place. Okay, so it is 1 upon 10. Okay, so in this way you all should know all these place values. Okay, now as per the place value, now we will be initially we will be considering the place value at 10th place. That means point के immediately right side वाला जो place है, decimal point के right side वाला first place. Okay, so that we will consider, and accordingly we will put the elements in these buckets. So initially we will be having how many buckets, and why 9 buckets we have taken here? Because we will be considering the input of decimal number. What is the base of decimal number system? Yes, deci means 10. That means ये जो numbers है, they are made up of only 10 different symbols, 0 से लेके 9 तक. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. 0 से लेके 9 इतने ही, 0 to 9. These are the only symbols with the help of which we are creating these numbers. Right? So decimal, that means 10, जिसका base 10 है, इसलिए हमने क्या किया है, 10 buckets we have taken here. Okay, so मतलब मेरा कोई भी number, if I am checking the place value, okay, that each place of my number will either fall in bucket 0 or 1 or till 9. इसके अलावा कोई bucket में उसको जाने का chance ही नहीं है. Whatever is the size of my array, input array, I need only 10 buckets if I have the input is of decimal number type. Okay, so if my single array can contain multiple elements and these elements are of decimal number type, in that case what I will be doing, I will be using 10 buckets, because decimal number system has only 10 types of symbols to create any number. Getting? Okay, I will ask you this again after completion of this example. Okay, so here consider the 10th place value 7. First number, its 10th place value is 7. Put it here in the bucket number 7. Okay, put it here in the bucket number 7. Then next number, its 10th place value is 1. Put it in the bucket number 1. That means ये number को कहाँ डाला, bucket number 1 में डाल दिया. Okay, then next number, 10th place of that next number is 3. Put it in the bucket number 3. Here we have kept it. Okay, next number, 10th place is 2. Put it here in the bucket number 2. Next number, 10th place is 7. Put it in the bucket number 7. Next number, 9. Put in the bucket number 9. Next number, 2. Put in the bucket number 2. Then next number, see we will not be putting them in any order. उनके ordering के लिए हम कुछ नहीं बोल रहे. We will be just dumping them in the bucket. Okay. Then 1. Put it in the bucket number 1. Then 23. Put it in the bucket number 2. Okay. 68. Sorry. 0.68. So 10th place is 6. Put it in the bucket number 6. So all the numbers are placed. How many numbers are there? 10 numbers. This is just the coincidence that हमारे number का count 10 है और हमारा number system का base भी 10 है. दैट इज जस्ट द कोइंसिडेंस। यहाँ पर आपके पास 20 नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, कितने भी नंबर्स हो सकते हैं, 1000 numbers you are having and your bucket may have hundreds and 500 like that numbers in it. Okay, so 10 numbers we will be having, 10 buckets we have taken because the decimal number system हमारा input decimal number type का है इसलिए, and we have placed all these numbers in these buckets. Now ये just dumping किया है. Now these numbers are now sorted inside the bucket. So 0.12 and 0.17. Okay. So which is the larger number?
0.17.
Which is a smaller number?
0.12.
12 is smaller or larger? Which is this place? 2 का place क्या है? 12 में 2 का place क्या है? Place value 100th, right? That means 2
Yes,
upon
ma'am.
100. 2 upon 100, right? 7 का place value क्या है? Same 100th. That means 7 upon 100. अब बताओ कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है? 2 parts out of 100 और 7 parts out of 100. Which is smaller? Point 12 or 0.17? Point 12? Right? So accordingly you have to do the sorting of each bucket. Okay. Now to sort each bucket, we are no need to consider this place. Okay, you can directly go to the next place. This place value you can consider, and accordingly you can directly do the sorting. So after each bucket is sorted, can we directly concatenate them? That means, can I say that all the elements present in my bucket number 1 are obviously smaller than the elements present in my bucket number 2? Can I say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, obviously. So once each bucket is sorted internally, we can directly concatenate them. That means ये bucket number 1 is concatenated with bucket number 2 is concatenated with bucket number 3 and so on till the last bucket. बीच में some might be possible that some buckets are empty. So while doing concatenation, nothing is concatenated or empty is concatenated with that. Okay, so like this way our bucket sort works. Have you got it clearly how bucket sort works? Yes. Balram, you want to say anything? Okay, have you understood, all of you, how bucket sort works? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sunny, is there any problem in understanding bucket sort?
No, ma'am.
No. Snehal? Snehal Jadhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any problem in understanding bucket sort?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So let's see the next part, that is about bucket sort, how the algorithm will work. Now in bucket sort, we will create an array of m number of buckets where m is the maximum element value if we want to put the single element. Okay, if that means suppose करो कि I have some number of elements, मेरे पास 20 elements है. Out of that 20 elements, if my largest element is suppose 50, so what I will do, I will create 50 buckets. Okay, what is my largest element? 50. Okay, and I will put the element number 50, largest जो है ना, that element I will put in the bucket number 50, and accordingly whatever elements are there, so that is the one way. Okay, now for each item in the array to be sorted, increment the bucket count for the item value. Okay, जो हमारा maximum element है, that value we will be taking. सपोज 50 है तो 50 नंबर का बकेट, सपोज 20 है तो 20 नंबर का बकेट. अगर उससे भी बड़ा वैल्यू मुझे मिल गया while doing this, then we will increment the count of bucket, and at last after once we partition them into the buckets, we will return the concatenation of all the buckets. Okay, now let us again take the one more example. Here 4 is there. What is the, now you just observe what is the maximum value of it. Scan the array, this array, and tell me what is the maximum value. It is 4, so put it in the bucket number 4. That means maximum 0 to 4 buckets we need. Okay, so next is 2, put it in the bucket number 2. 1, put it in the bucket number 1. 2, now this is a second 2 placed in the bucket number 2. Then 0 is placed here in the bucket number 1. Then 3 placed in this. Then 2 placed here. 1 placed in the bucket number 1, and so on till end. Now you can observe there are how many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3, and here also we have all those 3 zeros we have copied in this bucket number 0. Okay, so bucket number 0 में 3 zeros are there, bucket number 1 में 2 ones are there, bucket number 2 में 4 twos are there, bucket number 3 में 2 threes are there, and bucket number 4 में 2 fours are there. Okay, at last what we will be doing concatenation, taking this bucket, यहाँ पर लिया 0 number का bucket, concatenated with 1 number का bucket, concatenated with 2 number का bucket, then it is concatenated with 3 number का bucket and 4 number का bucket. Got it? Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now values versus entries. That means if we were sorting the values, obviously we want to sort the values which are given in the input array. Now each bucket is just a counter that we can increment whenever a value is matching with that bucket number. जैसे कि यहाँ पर देखो, अगर मैं यहाँ पर how can this be achieved in the programming. अब हम जब imagine कर रहे हैं, if it is a bucket number 2, let us consider it is a bucket number 2. सो इसका साइज मतलब इसमें कितने टूज मैं डालने वाली हूँ, दैट आई विल गेट टू नो वंस आई फिनिश दिस कंप्लीट इनपुट. ओके, तो उसको मैं इनिशियलाइज नहीं कर सकती हूँ पहले ही, राइट? और ये कंटेंट जिसका सबका वैल्यू सेम है, सो देर इज नो यूज ऑफ जस्ट पुटिंग द सेम वैल्यू अगेन एंड अगेन इन दैट बकेट. Okay, so with respect to programming, if you consider, then these buckets are just the counters. Okay, and the index of that bucket will be considered as a value or element. ओके जैसे कि अगर ये बकेट का इंडेक्स क्या है 0 है तो उसको हम वैल्यू कंसिडर कर रहे हैं ये बकेट का 1 है दिस इज द वैल्यू ये बकेट का 2 है सो इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग दीज टू 4 नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स व्हाट इफ I refer this index like we did in the first example and I put 4 here so as to get that 2 is occurred 4 number of times so like that way so the each bucket is just the counter that we are incrementing whenever a value matching the bucket number is encountered. So what we will be doing actually, we are not actually physically putting this value here in this bucket, we will be just incrementing the counter present in this bucket. Initially it was 0, so whenever I read this 2, that 0 has become 1. When I read this 2, that 1 has become 2. When I read this 2, it that 2 becomes here 0 का 1 हुआ here it has become 2 so here it will become 3 and here when I read this 2 it will become 4 so at last what we will be doing is we will be just incrementing the counters in while writing the program we can achieve we can do like this way we can do the processing like this way okay so this is about the content of bucket. So what bucket contains? The number of occurrences of that element. So how many times that number is occurring inside the input array. Okay, that one. And if we were sorting the entries according to the keys, then each bucket is a unique is a queue and entries are queued into the matching bucket and entries will be dequeued back in the array after the scan that means like this way so queue में उसको डाल दिया and at the last sorry yes queue में डालना मतलब NQ करना NQ means putting inside the queue and DQ means taking out from the queue so stack and queue हमारा next unit में है so उसमें हम लोग ये cover करने वाले what is NQ operation what is NQ means putting the element in the queue DQ means taking out the element from the queue so like this we will be doing now, let us consider the most important part that is complexity of bucket sort. So, complexity of bucket sort is divided into different operations. Okay, initially for bucket initialization, मतलब मुझे कितने buckets चाहिए? So, let us consider m number of buckets are there. Okay, so order of m complexity is for bucket initialization. ओके बकेट को इनिशियलाइज करने के लिए कितना कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है ऑर्डर ऑफ m because I am having m number of buckets then from array to bucket I am we will be doing we will be taking the elements and putting into the array that means how many times we will be comparing the not comparing how many times we will be checking the value of element in the array jitna array ka size hai so if its value is 1 put in the bucket number 1 if its value is 2 put in the bucket number 2 and so on right so that is order of n is required to decide or to put the elements in the bucket that means हम लोग सिर्फ count ही increment कर रहे हैं but that n number of numbers we will be reading elements we will be reading okay then from buckets again we will be creating the output array so how many elements are there in different buckets n number of elements so we will be taking back those numbers and putting those numbers in the output array okay so again order of n is required and this is the time required for that task so what is the total time required by bucket sort order of m plus n plus n okay that means 2n plus m इतना हमें टाइम लग सकता है, बट 2n को हम लोग जनरल फॉर्म में n ही रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, right? So while representing in general form, we write it as n only, order of n only. 2n को भी हम n ही represent करते हैं. So even though the stage is nested loop, but we are just doing the dequeue operation. That means we are just taking out the elements. So that's why the multiplication is not there. N into n is not there. It is just n plus n. Okay, and since m will be that means number of buckets. Suppose करो कि हमारा 1000 का डेटा है या 10,000 का डेटा है, so number of buckets comparatively will be very less than n. So this number is comparatively so less, because of which we can ignore it. Okay, so in general we can say that the complexity of bucket sort is O of n, order of n. बट इफ वी स्ट्रिक्टली वांट द करेक्ट थिंग, थोड़ा भी हमें उसमें चेंज नहीं चाहिए, तो इट कैन बी ऑर्डर ऑफ n plus m, but this number m is very smaller, so that can be eliminated, and we can say that this complexity, this time complexity is far better than all the algorithms complexity which we have seen. ऑल सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिथम, कंपैरिजन बेस्ड सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिथम, जो हमारे बबल सॉर्ट, सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट, इंसर्शन सॉर्ट, क्विक सॉर्ट, शेल सॉर्ट, ये सभी जो हमने देखा है, वो सबका मिनिमम टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वाज order of n log n, and now bucket sort is giving us better complexity than all of them, that is order of n. Got it? Time complexity of bucket sort. Yes, have you got it? बकेट सॉर्ट पूरा समझ में आया क्या? आदित्य, प्रतीक,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
have you understood bucket sort completely? Pratik?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or you are not listening?